Today we're going to do a first in a series of breakfast and lunch videos, and today we're going to do an extra healthy lunch for you. It's a smoothie bowl, and we're going to make it with this great new product from Better Than Milk. It's an almond drink that is made, it's USDA organic, and it is made with Italian spring water. So very, very fresh water as its base. And this is dairy-free, gluten-free. And the smoothie is going to contain 1 cup of the almond drink into our blender. And to that, we're going to add a cup of chopped kale. We need a half a banana and a half of an avocado. Make sure you have a nice ripe one. We're going to need a half a cup of ice cubes. And to sweeten it, we're going to use our own healthy organic agave. And we need a tablespoon of agave in there. And this is all going into my nice Vitamix, which has a special smoothie program in it. Smoothie all done, and we're going to take this out, pour it into our bowl, and then we're going to top it with some fresh kiwi, and the other half of the banana we're going to slice up. Put a little banana in there. We're going to give it some chia seed, which is good for you. And we're going to top that with some raspberries. And there we have a beautiful, healthy smoothie bowl.